Hello, folks. Part 3 of VMware Workstation Pro. So, for some reason, the Ubuntu version 24.04 gave me too much problem on this machine. So instead, I downloaded version 12 of Debian, the original Linux flavor. So it gives you a network install CD. It's not a CD, it's an ISO, and you would attach it to the virtual PC like I did at the beginning of my videos, and just follow the instructions. Since this video is not about Linux installation, it's more of a creating virtual PCs on this application. I didn't want to go into too much detail on that subject. So here we are. Debian version 12 is installed. I have XFCE desktop team installed. So I use the same username and same password, 12345. Please use more complicated passwords than this. Connection established, so I have network connection. I don't want to see that again. I can bring up the browser. Installation is working. So let's just go to cnn.com. Here we go. So we have today's homepage. All right, so close that. Okay, so installation is working. Debian is working. That will conclude my tutorial. I will go ahead and create another video on how I installed Debian on a virtual machine, and a couple of troubleshooting steps I did on next videos, of course. So only thing I want to mention is lastly is normally we would install VM tools on the operating system, like if you have Windows or any other Linux flavor that you might have, we would install a VM tools client on the machine so it can perform better. Performance actually affects the memory, maybe not memory, but graphical experience definitely. It increases the speed of it. Otherwise, you would be lagging. And when you change the screen sizes, it will not change automatically. But the Debian that I have, version 12, already came with it. Or when I was installing it, it automatically recognized the environment and installed it on its own. I am not sure on that part, but I checked. It already have it. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you liked it. If you do, please click on like and subscribe for rest of my experiences. Thanks. Bye.